Today we're checking out Inks Lake, where we're hiking out to Devil's Waterhole, casting a line off the pier, and ending the day with one of the best sunsets in Texas. This is our little encampment.
Away from people, enjoying ourselves.
Hey, this is gonna get burned.
No?
Gotta flip it.
It's still in a little...
No, flip it. It's burning. Told you. Oh, hello.
Can I make my coffee?
Look.
Yeah.
Poke it. Nice that.
Here. Poke it.
Come in.
Uh-oh.
You gonna fold it?
Yeah. But he doesn't want to because he's getting
The
pooped.
other side. You want me to do it?
Yeah. There.
The little duckies.
They're here.
Those are the things that kept us up all night. They were all over there swimming. Hey!
Yeah,
I'm cool with that.
Like that? Okay. We're making quesadillas, burrito in the wild.
We hope you like our adventures in the camp.
So hiking?
I don't think it's going to be a very long hike.
No.
The majority of the park is closed because of hunting. Holy cow, that looks incredible.
Look at that one. I want to climb this fucker.
Oh God. Please be careful.
So, whenever you do rock climbing, you need to grab it, hold it, and push yourself towards the wall. Dunas!
Holy shit.
Dunas!
Yeah, I see too. Look at that water hole.
I know. This is beautiful.
Wow. Yay! Today we're checking out Inks Lake. Look, I really think this is iron, but I'm not super sure. If anybody knows what this is on the rock, can y'all please let us know in the comments? We believe it's iron ore. Now let me just get a little closer. You see how it's green on this side? And then over here is like an orange. Holy cow. Tuna is actually the fruit that grows on top of a cactus. It's very sweet, it's very edible. And people in Mexico
Eat it a lot.
and in the South Americas eat it quite often. Yeah, I think the water might be a little cold. It's very windy today. Chilling been fishing. The last few days, it's been what? In the 30s or so? But we've been doing okay. We survived. This is something that we really needed. And honestly, it's for mental health. At least for me it is. I think she's kind of taking it okay. But I'm a huge mental health advocator. And it's very important to give your brain and your soul some space from being in a big city like Houston, Texas. And I just really needed to be in the wild.
I just think humanity is overwhelming.
This is life. She likes it.
I really do, especially doing this with my partner. It works.